Let's see how IT managed services can use a comprehensive CPQ solution to configure, price, and quote products and services. In this scenario, a technical service provider receives a call from a customer that needs a combination of hardware and software. This demo will illustrate how we can meet the customer's needs in a matter of minutes. Launching from your CRM system, Cincom CPQ presents your company's products in a logical way for selection and configuration. Cincom CPQ can be integrated to any CRM and e-commerce solution, allowing for the greatest convenience for reps and customers. The first thing added to this quote are hosting services. Hardware is selected, added, and configured with the suggested options guiding the rep. Each option shown here is required, so I'll need to choose one in each category. For a little help, I choose guided selling. Cincom CPQ will present questions to help determine the best product for my needs. I know that this server's purpose is to house a database. I need disaster recovery. I select the more often than that option, as I need hourly disaster recovery. I accept the prompt and see that the proper configuration has been completed for this option. Here you can see the options CPQ has calculated for cores, RAM, and storage. I click Done and go back to the Select More Products. I continue to build this quote by adding software, including the operating system and the database server. You can see that some of these options are not compatible with one another. The SQL Server edition I selected is not compatible with the operating system, so I change it to one of the options recommended. I get the green light for this valid configuration and move to the next product. Notice the invalid selections are in red, indicating they are not compatible. Here is where I add consulting services for this new server and database bundle. As I add strategic consulting services, I'm presented with more selections, so I choose Help Me Choose, again so I select the right options for this cloud application server. I select the software, timeline, and users, and environment prompts, and the services are configured for me. My last item is the support for this cloud provision, and so I select the standard support and add it to the quote. I'm finished adding products and services to this quote, so I return and see all of the items Cincom CPQ configured on the quote with prices and quantities for a grand total at the top of the quote. Click the Generate Proposal button, and I quickly see the completed quote tailored to my customer's needs. A branded template specific to your offering and company standards is selected. This fictitious company is called Acme Services, and they like the blue logo for their cloud services offering. See the detail items with sell prices and quantities with the grand total showing, following the products and services presentation. Additional documents can be added to a proposal output upon creation. Here we can see the terms and conditions were added with an agreement included to obtain signatures from the client. Cincom CPQ is a versatile, scalable selling solution that will gather all the intel you need to configure, price, and quote your products and services. Find out how you can change the game for your business with Cincom CPQ.